Okay guys, here we are again, my part 2 to the first test video. This one I'm going to show you what I used to make this resin trivet tray here. And this is stuck in the resin, this little thing here, and this is just glued on, the little flower. Anyway, I used a little cup that which I had this silver. Oh, look at that. It sticks, yeah, never mind. Anyway, the silver mica powder and this blue violet ultrafine glitter that I got from Joann's like probably 30 years ago from my previous marriage actually. Anyway, I mixed these together in a cup and then I added resin to it and then I poured it in here. And then I wanted to try the blue ink to see what would happen, because there aren't very many videos, if any, on YouTube about what happens. So, as you can see, I have this really pretty, glittery, can you see it? See the glitter? Isn't that pretty? In here. And then I added the inks. I did 4 dots. This isn't working, is it really? I really need a stand. 4 dots. And then I took a toothpick and I went back and forth both ways. And then I just left it. Because resin works weird. You don't know what it's going to do. And that's what happened. I might have actually used 5 dots of alcohol. This is alcohol ink. This one is sapphire blue with the silver. Okay, then I did the same thing for all the rest of these. For this one I used the winter mica with medium blue violet glitter in it. And this is what I came up with. It's not focusing. Oh, this is a terrible video, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then I added the Passion Purple, Pinata Passion Purple ink, the 4 dots, and I went back and forth, and that's what I came up with there. Okay, for this one I used the yellow gold mica in this beautiful Joggles Parisian Mist glitter. Look at that. Oh, sorry. You see it? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And then I poured that in there, got the gold in there, and then I put these combination of these 2 alcohol inks in a cup. Or no, did I? Anyway, I don't know. I think I did them separately. This lime green and this sunbright yellow. Boy, this is hard to do. Sorry. And this is what I got when I did the toothpick. And this one I did the bronze and this beautiful wow glitter. There's a set of 6 of these. 8, excuse me, 8. Let me show you my messy thing over here. You can see where that one is missing. Okay? So, I know, it's all a mess, but... So today I'm going to pause this, and then I'm going to take these sets of chips and put them, you know, these 2 in this cup, etc., etc., etc. And then I'm going to pour resin on top of that, stir it up, and then I'm going to put them around each, you know, this. The blues will go around this one, the purples will go around this one, the yellow and green will go around this one, and the orange and red will go around this one. And then I'll come back and I'll show you, well, maybe I'll pause this and come back and show you the first one after I get it done. And then after that, I'll just show you all of them, okay? I'm pausing this now.